In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages sent by someone here on an iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up WhatsApp on your phone, and from here, go ahead and select Settings down in the bottom right. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit and you're going to see an option for storage and data. Open that up and then scroll down or look up at the very top and find manage storage. And in this section, you're going to see your chats, media, and any other saved messages or files stored on your iPhone. Just scroll through these chats to see if any deleted messages are still available, including text, photos, or videos. Once you're done and you might not have seen them, back out to the main settings page. And in the same section, go ahead and select chats. From here, go ahead and select chat backup. And this is where you're going to be able to see the time and date of your last backup. Confirm that the messages are backed up to your iCloud, and if the messages was deleted after your most recent backup, there's a chance it still can be recovered. Back out again and go to export chat and find the chat that you're trying to see the deleted messages in, and essentially just go ahead and select it. And this will export message related data, account activity, and chat information tied to your account, and you'll be able to export it directly from here. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and see your deleted messages by someone. Just keep in mind, if a message was deleted before your last iCloud backup, WhatsApp may not be able to recover it. Messages deleted prior to backups are usually permanently removed, but it really is as simple as that. Once again, if you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.